Hey folks, RJ Steiner here. I'm going to cover the data collector finds event forms are automatically created on case event creation and after adding a participant. Prior to the 3.12 release, we did have the ability to automatically create event forms. If they were marked as required, they would be automatically created. In this, we decided that we needed more flexibility. So there is a new flag on event form definitions called auto-populate. You set that to true or false. That determines now whether or not an event form is created. That means that whether or not the event form is required, it could be added, automatically created, or leave it up to the user to create that form. So let's get into it. For this demo, I'm going to use the content set of case module. Let's open it up and look at those flags that are new. In case type 1, you'll see we have 2 event forms for our demo here. An example of an event form that does not auto-populate when a participant is added or an event is created, and then the inverse example of an event that does auto-populate when a participant is added or event is created. The difference is whether or not this property, auto-populate, is false or auto-populate is true. So if it's true, it'll automatically get created. Let's see that in action. I'm going to run the Tangerine preview command in here. And let's open up a browser window. And we're going to create a case type 1. I'm going to go through this because those event forms are actually for participants of role type 2. And participants of role type 2 don't get created until you go through registration. So here we see we have 2 participants of role 2, and they each have this example of an event form that does auto-populate. Here it is, and here it is, as opposed to the one that's still here, example of an event form that does not auto-populate. Again, that is from these flags, auto-populate of false or auto-populate of true. Something to note, the default for auto-populate is false. So if you don't define it, I think we have an example here. Yep. Resolve an urgent notification form. This is, it doesn't have auto-populate, so the value is false, so we shouldn't see data collector resolves urgent notification. Yep, we don't. Cool. And that is all for this user story. Thanks for watching.